Hi, so let's see one of my favorite UFO videos. That's the Jellyfish UFO by Jeremy Corbell from a base in Iraq. This is my favorite video because I believe it's real and it's hard to say it's not. So the debunking that started, I wish I made the video when this was released 2 years ago or maybe on three. The main thing people say is it's a smudge on the camera or it's balloons. And even some credible people said balloons, and the theory is just lazy. I know Chris Lato is somebody I followed, a ex-pilot, but he said balloons, which is ridiculous. So you have to find the uncut video, which is 20 minutes long. Um, Especially with these videos, you can't take anything crop. So this is very far out. 3 legs, dark color. So first thing, this was shot in thermal, same as the latest bunch of videos released by the government. And so Corbell says this is thermal, and that means the object is probably hot. Because and that's this video is so mind-blowing because of the implications. So he says this object is invisible to humans, right? And that's a pretty big deal, right? These things could be flying over anybody and we wouldn't even know. So this was recorded on like a big blimp, as they said, on the base, on the army base in Iraq. So Jeremy Corbell, also had an interview with the guy who was on the base and who maybe leaked this video. He said this was like everybody knew about this video on the base. It's like the ghost of the base, let's say. I just wish it was a tiny bit better quality. And here it's zoomed in, pretty grainy still. And see how it changes temperature. So first of all, it's not a smudge because a smudge has to be on a permanent location on a camera. Smudge doesn't move closer to the crosshair in the center. So it's not a smudge. Also changes color. Dude, smudges don't change temperatures. If it goes from white to dark, it means changes temperature right here. Second, it's not a balloon. A balloon, what happens if a balloon changes temperature? Goes up or down? Or if it's a helium balloon, probably explodes. It's not a balloon. Can't be a balloon. There are pictures of like that Eid balloons. It's something similar, but it's not. No, it's not a balloon. It's not a smudge. It's a UFO. It's real. And it's actually quite scary one. It does have these three like legs. It's super straight. Super straight. It doesn't move. Doesn't move an inch. Only in one direction. Doesn't not sure if it speeds up or not. Doesn't seem like it. It's just insane. I personally think it's alien, and because in some of these videos when you pause on certain seconds and somebody made an AI like improv of what it could be, I think it's possible that it's actually a gray sitting in the middle of this mech. I don't know what to call it. Because there is a part that's like the middle of it. I could have a shape that looks like a head or spiky, yeah. Also, there is a part where it goes into water later, but that part is very grainy and very far away. So definitely check out this original video. Thanks.